What's up, guys? So we are filming a truck of the week today, but we're gonna do this a little bit different, kind of make it like a vlog kind of truck of the week. We are out here in Johnson Valley, California, and for those of you who may know what the King of the Hammers race is, that's where this is. Oh shit. We're going off-road. Going off-road now. We've been on the highway. Now we're hitting the road less traveled by. So anyways, we're gonna do a little bit of a vlog because today's truck of the week is Craig's Bronco, and we have a photo shoot set up with that today. Just gonna bring you guys along for the ride. Pulling up on the squad over here. You know what I'm saying? What's Mike's dad's name?
Brian.
So Mike and Brian Gardner.
Yeah.
They hauled the Bronco here to this secret location. And we're meeting the photographer out here, so.
Full blown sending somebody else's raptor through the desert.
I mean, you told me to.
I did.
Hi. I'm Lacey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jason.
Hi,
I already got a
Jason.
flat.
What?
I was out here for like 5
no.
minutes and I got a flat.
You did?
Yeah, so while we were waiting for you, I changed it.
Oh, I was gonna say,
You
do
did
need
change
help?
it?
Yeah, I already changed it. So, luckily I had a full-size spec. So, I was trying to do a donut on the lake bed way out there.
Oh, I missed
And it didn't work out because it's all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
And
You can't switch it off?
no, it's
Oh,
a full-wheel
dang.
drive full-time.
Oh yeah.
And I have like a center locking diff. I was like, maybe if I get enough power, I could do like center axis donuts, and it didn't work out.
Damn.
So good. We're just going straight out there to pass that one trailer.
Alright, I'll just follow you.
Okay,
Cool.
Well,
sweet.
Lacey will just follow you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Le Bronco. That was Spanish, in case you're wondering. This is cool out here. I love it.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Definitely makes me want to do donuts like that guy, though.
I'm not so sure I want you to do donuts in my truck.
What?
Of course you can do donuts.
Oh, I haven't met
Brian.
Ryan yet.
No, we gotta meet him right now.
I'm Lacey.
Hi, Lacey.
Oh, you can shake my hand with the glove
Good to
on. I
see
don't
you.
care. Good to see you. Do you guys need help? What's up, Mike? You're on the vlog.
Hi.
Mike's a real character, everyone.
It's all just rumors.
How many times has it been out in the dirt?
Never.
Do you need help backing off? It's pretty tight fit. It's pretty open to have only one way to go. Says it's never been out in the dirt. What about your secret Instagram?
Don't worry about the secret Instagram.
What?
Ask Jason where he wants this.
He was gonna tell you not to get it dusty, but
Should have told me that sooner. Down with those soft cloths.
now you want us to wipe it down?
Hey, you said he didn't want it dusty.
Nice little wipe job. He's just like, right. Those are like AutoZone towels.
Get to the zone.
We don't have anything else.
Oh my
We're
God.
doing soft wipes though. We're not like we're not.
Alright.
I
Might
get
as well do
I
the
get
sandpaper,
I get
but
the
it's
whole.
whatever. Good thing a girl knows how to do paint corrections.
That's what his wife does too.
Buffs cars?
She does
Touch-up paint on cars.
Well, if you scrub hard enough, you're gonna need some touch-up paint.
Luckily, I know a gal. As far as the vlog goes, is it PG or are we allowed to say like and stuff?
Well, I'm definitely gonna bleep all of that out. Okay. Maybe you just shouldn't be on the vlog.
You want this open?
Yeah, can you hold it?
The water?
Yeah.
The ground can.
Okay, cool.
Watch this.
Whoa, thanks, ground.
He's driving a Tundra too.
Poor guy's gotta go home and feed his cats. and make his wife dinner.
It's like Jesus is coming. You're healed.
Where are you gonna be when Jesus comes back? Here? Do you really want to be here?
No, I don't want to be here. And when Jesus comes, I'd like to be on like a 100-foot yacht.
Well, we know it can do it.
Heck yeah! That's a heck of a dust cloud. She's a little dirty now. Running from a dust cloud. I want to whip that thing. The dark dust cloud of
Does this work?
I don't know.
Probably not.
I don't think so. I think the taco is challenging you to a
You
race.
should see how fast you can get the Raptor down this. Like this guy's dipping, he's at least going what, 80?
I'm not
Easy, woman. Give me a second.
freaking dust boogers. Do you have dust boogers?
I have dust boogers for days.
Dust boogers for days.
Got
Bats in
dust
the cave.
boogers. Easy E up in the house. Good?
Yeah, I'm good. You're gonna do donuts or you're
No,
gonna...
he wants to.
Yeah, I thought you were just going fast. That's why I got in. Because I'll get really car sick. What are you doing here? Oh my god.
That's
Where did all this not flat land come from?
Try to beat 105.
Oh,
How's
okay.
that sound?
Let's go. Just don't make any crazy turns.
Well, missed it.
Oh, the one guy stopped the hang.
108.
108? Heck yeah, found it. Oh. The one guy in the contraption thing stopped the
In
hang.
the Mad Max mobile.
I can't wait.
You want to go check it out?
Yeah.
Smells hot.
Oh,
really
yes.
hot.
She's a little hot. How's it
Ooh,
going?
it does.
How are you?
Hi.
Good, good. We're pretty strong.
Fun?
Oh, it rips up the. It's like danger intake manifold.
Yeah. Shut up.
Floor pan goes out.
Got the Bogger gang over here.
Right off.
Yeah, I just came out here expecting to see some friends, but they couldn't make it out here.
We got an oil leak. You know, hold you from the rear.
Hold them from the rear? Party out here now. We got the party cake muffins. Okay. These are the bomb though, for real.
Fruit's actually pretty good too.
The what?
The fruit snacks. The Mott's.
I told him you got a raise as LB Motorsports.
These are
CEO.
dad moves.
3 sons and an Uncrustable.
Dad moves.
But you already ate your Uncrustable, so.
No, I did not.
You didn't?
Parts store.
Vegas.
Vegas.
Yeah. Next time you're out in Vegas, stop by. It's such a good store.
Yeah, we'll just get the roller shots and we might take it over to the hill.
Okay.
And then just.
We meet with them every week.
Mm-hmm.
And they've seen this.
Yeah.
I swear one of the reasons why they chose roll parts was
A couple rollers.
Okay, so I just need you to vlog the situation
Okay.
of him getting rollers and me driving.
What do I do with the boom?
The speaker. You just have to make sure it stays out of the way.
The boom?
The boom.
Okay.
Okay, here you go. It's recording, so.
Great.
Coming to you live from Johnson Valley.
My rude vlogger over here burping.
Ooh, that shot.
Is it good?
Hell yeah. Okay, let's dial my shot up.
We're here with Lacey, Blair.
What's up, guys?
LP Motorsport.
Alright, we're vlogging.
We're live.
We're live.
What are we gonna do about your boom situation?
I don't know. I have
So we're not
I have
gonna
to
go
figure
too
it out.
fast, but we're
Okay.
gonna be going.
keep up with him, I guess.
No.
Or
He's gonna-
stay
He's gonna follow us.
stay a little bit ahead of him.
So turn off
What are you telling me, Gregors?
Window locks.
Is there everything
Ma'am?
off of the
Ma'am,
what did
window
you say?
locks.
Seatbelt.
Oh yeah, we're vlogging.
There's not stuff on the bed still. What? I know my comments they get mad about that. I'm sorry. How cool that is.
That's it.
the. Wait. Let's go
Freaking-
like 35.
Okay.
I didn't choose the vlog life. The vlog life chose me.
Alright, so we'll go back to the lake bed and do it again.
You know what I mean, Lacey?
I do know what you mean.
What about you, Jam and Jay?
What up?
Did the vlog life choose you or did you choose
You know, this boom is causing me nothing but
You kind of
problems.
hold it up.
Oh, for the love of God. I ever tell you I'm a horrible passenger, Lacey?
No.
I'm the worst.
Around me
I-
and Craig. That's all
I
you'll ever
hate
be. No, just kidding.
being a passenger. What did you just say to me?
35. Do like 25.
Okay. Like pictures, videos don't do this justice right now.
They rarely ever do.
They rarely ever do. Why is that, Mark?
don't-
Mike?
Mark, well, Lucy,
See? Oh, here he comes. Hang on. Just hit me, Greg. Worth it. What?
You guys having a picnic or what?
Do we have a what?
Are you guys having a picnic over here?
Well,
or
I
what?
was hoping you'd drive by for. I was taking a video. Can you drive by? Craig went 108 earlier.
How was it?
It was pretty lit. I bet I could beat it.
I've been
I'm just-
109 before.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
What a one-upper.
You normally drive while vlogging?
Yes.
Is that a new thing?
No, it's definitely not a new thing. How's it been hanging over here? You been good?
Yeah, that's right.
We're rolling out. Okay? We'll be like, good to see you, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet
We'll do
you.
a little fist bump. Good to see you, nice to meet you.
Heck yeah.
Nice to meet you too, Craig.
to meet you too.
Yeah, we'll see you later. Okay, bye. See ya, be
guys.
safe. So, but I think you're gonna have to drive because I forgot my real glasses.
Oh, okay.
I only have sunglasses.
Can you get
and
us
I'm
up-
blind.
Can you get us up the road? Because that might make you sick going up this road.
Oh yeah, true. All right, vlog. Oh, okay. The truck has betrayed us. Didn't end up doing a truck of the week, but we got some way cooler stuff than that.
True, but we can also get a detail.
We'll do
tomorrow
that.
and
Yeah,
you
we'll
can
do that.
Yeah.
But this was a good vlog. Loved it. Living for it. And
Now I'm hungry.
oh, are we going to that place to eat
Yeah.
though? Okay, we're gonna vlog that too. So never mind. I was gonna say bye, but I'm not. Stay tuned.
Oh,
Are they closed?
so
I
bummed.
think they are. Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine.
So sad.
I so wanted you to eat here too.
But the vlog has to end with me eating because I'm hungry. So
Yes.
what are we gonna eat?
We're gonna go down the road and we're gonna find something to eat.
Okay.
Maybe there's a Chick-fil-A.
Or a taco.
Although you did have Chick-fil-A for lunch.
I would eat it again, 100%.
I feel like you would.
Who wouldn't?
I-
Beep, beep. Listen,
Listen,
if someone
Linda.
comes between me and this 5% tint, that's between them and God. Limo tint, the whip.
Not really limo tint. You
I
need to
know
go
it's
left.
not.
Are you kidding me right now?
Sissy tint. You skirt tint.
It's
You skirt at the cops tint.
whatever. It's
Listen, if you skirt, go to church, Greg.
it's beyond legal limits in California.
Well, California's dumb.
I get it.
You skirt.
Now you just
If you
offended
skirt,
all
go
your
to church.
California fans.
No, everyone that's from California knows California's dumb.
I feel like you're
D-Max Rhino lives in California.
I-
He knows it's
I
dumb.
feel like you're doubling
Am I
down
right?
right now.
Are we rolling?
We're straight up rolling.
With that vlog. In OG Lacey vlog fashion, we're eating and we're ending the vlog. So we'll see you next time. In and out this time, by the way. What a good day.